Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great, amazing, fab. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a review on my current favorite concealer. It's from the brand called Miss Claire. It's the Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup Plus Concealer. I bought this online from habana.com. I will link the product link in the description box for you guys. This cost me around 250 rupees for 6 gram of product. Because these concealers are available in 12 shade, there is also a orange color corrector. And these concealers are available in 12 shades. You will get your perfect match. By the way, I'm in the shade 1. And yep, I really like Miss Claire cosmetic, guys, because their cosmetic is of good quality at affordable price. They are kind of dupes of NYX cosmetic. Like NYX do have their soft matte lip creams, even Miss Claire do have soft matte lip creams. NYX do have the silicone based primer. Even Miss Claire do have the similar packaging kind of silicone based primer. And also this concealer is a dupe of NYX full coverage concealer in a jar. So yep, they are dupe of Miss Claire is a dupe of NYX cosmetic. I haven't tried any NYX cosmetic yet, but the packaging wise, the looking wise, they are quite similar to each other. As I said it before, the packaging of this concealer is quite exactly the same like NYX concealer. An acrylic jar with a black twist up cap. The packaging is really sturdy and unbreakable. You can easily carry this jar along with you because of its cute small packaging, and also this the jar of this is made up of acrylic. It claims lightweight, grease free, provides smooth long-lasting coverage, so you can pretend the word makeup does not exist in your dictionary. Wow, that's a big claim. Bottom of the packaging, you will get to see shade name and also the ingredients on it. Once you open this up, this is what you get inside. By the way, I'm in the shade 1, guys, which is lighter than my skin tone, because I really want to use it as a concealer or highlighter. The consistency of this concealer is hard, but the texture of this concealer is quite really smooth and creamy. It blends out really well with the help of your fingers. The texture of this concealer makes the application easy, so the blendability is quite good. I really like the blendability of this product. This concealer gives you medium to buildable coverage. You can go ahead and layer up the product. This product will not make you look cakey. Concealer gives a medium coverage. I went ahead and applied this concealer onto my dark spot, right onto my dark spot twice, and it gave a really good coverage onto my dark spot. It did hide my dark spot. Also went ahead and applied this concealer as my foundation. When I applied this on my face as a foundation, I felt my face a little bit heavy, not so heavy but a medium heavy. So yeah, that's the thing, but it gives a really dewy finish onto your face. If you have a dry skin, then you will love the finish of this product. What I did is I went ahead and baked my under eyes, like where I applied my concealer. I applied onto my highlighted areas like my under eyes, forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, like general areas. Because this concealer is extremely smooth and creamy, so yeah, it may crease if you just don't go ahead and set it with a compact powder. Now I have extreme dry skin. I do really like the finish of this product because this gives a really dewy finish onto my face. So yeah, if you are a person who have oily skin, I think you will not like this product because yeah, that's the reason. It gives a really dewy finish onto your face. You need to set it with a compact powder. Whether you are oily or dry skin, guys, you need to set this concealer with a compact powder because the texture of this concealer is extremely creamy and extremely smooth, it may crease onto your under eyes, so you need to set it with a compact powder or a loose powder. The durability of this product is it stays on your face 6 to 7 hours. Now my skin is extremely dry and it lasts me for 7 hours, max 7 hours. If you have an oily skin, this can last up to 5 to 6 hours, not more than that. This product do crease, but you have to use it in a right way. If you apply this onto your under eyes, you need to set it with a compact powder or you need to bake your under eyes. So yeah, it do crease, but little bit, not much. This product creases a little bit, not more. It creased my under eyes after 7 hours, but I don't have any issues with it considering the price of this product. So whenever I review the product, I judge the product on the claims. They say lightweight, grease free. When you are applying this onto your under eyes or highlighted points, you will not feel any weight onto your face. But when you apply this as a foundation, you will feel your face little bit heavy. But this jar is a concealer, so yeah, I do agree with the lightweight kind of claim. Crease free, yep, I do agree slightly because it do crease, but a little bit, not a lot. I do agree with the long lasting claim. If you use this product in a right way, this can last up to 6 to 7 hours. So yep, I do agree with the but I think you all should definitely try this because this product is a multi-purpose product. This can be used as an eyeshadow primer, foundation, concealer, color corrector, and you know, anything. So it's a multi-purpose product. I think you all should definitely try this. And also this product is so affordable. It's for 250 rupees. So yeah, I think you all should definitely give it a try. With that, I finished this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then please do not forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done. The subscribe button is right below this video. Hit on the subscribe button. It may not hurt you, but it will really mean a lot to me. I'm also on social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat. All of my social media links are in the description box. I've also linked the product link in the description box for you guys. And yep, that's pretty much. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.